Hello guys, good morning from Myanmar. So I'm Rose, by the way. I am from Cebu, Philippines, working as a teacher here in Myanmar. So if you're just new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So early today I am walking because walking is the best exercise for me. So this is a street where I always walk, and at the same time I threw my garbage because it's just, it's just near from where I live, and today it's still early in the morning, and the weather is very nice. Uh, you know, a little bit humid, but it's still fine. The air is fresh, and the neighborhood is quiet. So this is my neighborhood. So minsan naglalakad ako dito. I walked here every weekend, but this is not really, the street where yung marami ang yung mga establishments. Not so many establishments in this street. So here marami akong natutunan. So every street dito is, they have like, a jar of water, so they put beside the street. So whenever you're thirsty, then you can drink. If you trust fully the water, then you can drink. And also monks here early in the morning, they try to collect food, and then the people also are willing to to give. I think that's part of their religion siguro. So here you can see a lot of big houses in this city, because this is the second biggest city here. It's very quiet and with fresh air. And then there are many trees beside beside the buildings. And also malinis. It's very clean here. So ayan. So this is what I told you. Yun, may mga jars sila na nasa labas. So they try to put those jars na kung if ever someone is thirsty, then they can drink. So here the power is always off. So mostly people here, the rich ones, they have generators, and then they also have like solar panels, kasi I think the power supply cannot sustain for all the people here. So every day there's a power outage here. So that's why most of the households, they have solar panels or generators. So ayun, that's one of their biggest problem here. Yung always power off. But so far so good naman. So yung every corner may talaga, may dadaanan. And the street also, they are wide. So ayan. And ano na ba? Sometimes I go to the other street where there are many establishments, but I opted to walk here kasi nga hindi masyadong maraming sasakyan. Few cars here. And then ganda ng bahay, oh. Very nice house. And then yung marami talagang establishments, maraming sasakyan. There are many cars in that street, so that's why sometimes I walk there. But early in the morning it's okay, but like 8 o'clock it's not good to walk there kasi maraming sasakyan, and may allergy pa naman ako sa mga dust. So that's why I always have with me my mask, kasi nga allergic ako sa dust. So sometimes I walked here. What I am worried about is yung mga dogs here. Maraming dogs. Many dogs that are walking on the street. So that's why nag-aalinlangan ako mag-walk kasi mga dogs kasi. Although hindi naman sila nangangagat, pero I'm just scared, of the dogs. Some houses here are quite big, and parang mga hotels. And the structure of the building, it's different. Makikita mo talaga yung ganda structure ng building dito. So ayan, may pa nga dito, parang center nila, preschool center. So malapit na ako sa So just enjoying my morning here. Sunday naman. And ayan. But it's already hot. You know, it's and a little bit humid. So I have to hurry. Malapit na ang ang bahay. Actually, yung tinitirhan ko is hotel that was closed. And then ang owner ng or my employer is he rented. That's where we stayed. Mga foreigners nakastay dito. May mga galing Europe, galing America, from Asia. So andun kami lahat nakatira. Very comfortable naman. Wala naman akong masabi or mga ano ba yan? Against sa tinitiran. Safety, and then comfortable. Then I have my own place. So that's what I really like. Malapit na ako. Few steps na lang. Na ako sa tinitirhan ko. Malapit na ako. Yung video ko na. May mga tanim sa labas. So malapit na talaga. Ayan. People here are conservative, so hindi masyadong bulgar. So kailangan talaga mag-ayos ng dyan ako nakatira. So andito na ako. So I think I have to close now. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for watching.